सब्सक्राइब करें जीनियस फॉर ऑल को, ताकि आने वाली हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे।
So since we're all still practicing social distancing, what I thought we'd do today is I'm going to be doing my workout from home. Yas is going to be doing it from her house, and we're going to do a split screen. We're going to do like a 10-minute warm-up and like a 20-25 minute full body routine.
So Kat, now that we're stuck at home, what should we do?
Well, you can't leave me ever. So I think everyone knows that now that the government has said that most of the gyms are going to be shut now for some time. I still think that we can, do workout at home. We can do a small workout at home, maybe 20-25 minutes. You don't have to stress your body, but even a little bit of workout is really good for your immunity. It also keeps your endorphins up at a time where there's a lot of fear and anxiety around.
Be positive, be happy. So here, guys, is a routine that you can do at home for 20 minutes that will make you happy.
So since the house help are also practicing self-isolation, me and Izzy have decided to take turns to do the washing up. So I thought I'd do a little refresher tutorial for those of us who have forgotten a bit. So first I was deciding, should I lather each bowl, rinse it and put it in the rack? But then I decided there's a better way to do it. Just fill up the sink, put all the dishes inside, okay? And then turn off the water so you don't waste water also. Then lather all of them and then put them back here and then rinse them off. Got it. Hi everyone. I'm recording recording this message at home, and I hope you're seeing this at home. Social distancing and staying at home are two critical steps to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. The next 10 to 15 days are extremely crucial. Please avoid all public places, public transport like trains and buses. We all must do our bit to help fight in this crisis. And please follow the instructions issued by the state government. Stay home, stay safe, and take care.
नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो। मेरा नाम है सलमान खान। पहले तो उन सबको थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा मैं जो कि अभी तक के काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि हेल्थ में काम कर रहे हैं और फिर पुलिस वाले हैं और बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो कि हैव डेडिकेटेड देयर टाइम टू कोरोना। तो थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच। अब अपील ये है कि जो गवर्नमेंट है ये आपके लिए और हमारे लिए, हम सब के लिए बोल रही है, तो इसको सीरियसली लो, अफवाहें मत फैलाओ। ये हमेशा से एक प्रॉब्लम है कि सबको ऐसा लगता है कि ये हमारे साथ नहीं होगा। ये कोरोना वायरस किसी को भी हो सकता है, बस में, ट्रेन में, मार्केट में, हर जगह। तो काहे कोई पंगे ले रहे हो बाहर जाना? ये पब्लिक हॉलीडे नहीं है भाई, ये बड़ा सीरियस मामला है। ये सब बंद करो, मास्क पहनो, प्रोटेक्ट करो अपने आप को, हाथ धो, साफ सुथरे रहो, लोगों से दूर रहो। ये सब करने में क्या दिक्कत है आपको? अगर किसी की जान बच रही है, जानें बच रही हैं, सैकड़ों जानें बच रही हैं आपकी खुद की, तो क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो आप? करो यार, ये जिंदगी का सवाल है, करो ये प्लीज, दरख्वास्त है। थैंक यू।